Oh, it's been a long time since we had an unboxing on the channel. Your boy's been buying used RCs, but it's okay, because this time we got the new, the Gravedigger by Losi V2. Oh, the best sound in the RC hobby. Taking off that fresh plastic wrap. And you know it. Ghost flames, skull and crossbones, suicide canopy, BKT licensed tires and wheels. This paint job on his body is beautiful. I'm not sure if it comes through the screen, but it's immaculate. I see 5 connectors to connect your 4-cell light bulb. Coilover shocks and reservoirs, all corners. Metal gear servo, solid axle in the front, solid axle in the rear. Full moon, full graveyard, full Gravedigger. And of course it comes with a remote and a manual. You better read it 2-3 times if you need it. And it gets you going even through in batteries. We're on the greens today. 3 vehicles, 3 personalities, 1 invisible co-pilot, keeping it all in check. First up, Gravedigger. All that weight, all that torque normally leads to grass digging chaos. But when AVC kicks in, it walks a straight line. And without it, let's just say this fairway would need a grounds crew. Now, you're not getting this car to go ripping, but I know what the people want. How fast is it? So let's get it on a speed run. Let's put on a GPS. "40 miles an hour in the grass," that sounds just about right. I did break this though. We gotta order us some aluminum rod ends, but it'll be all good. Next up, Losi Promoto MX 1 This example is sporting the street tires by Proline. Don't try this at home, but the good news is I'm not on it. Now, I can tell you from my experience, this 2-wheel monster is a handful on the pavement. It drives like a real motorcycle. It leans to turn. It doesn't take sharp turns at all. But thanks to AVC, it's like having invisible training wheels. And that internal gyro allows it to do stunts like this. Promoto meets manicured golf course grass. This is like riding on ice. It would be like a circus act, but the AVC keeps it all under control. Lean, flick, recover. It's all good. Instead of cartwheeling, it actually looks like I know what I'm doing. I just got this thing last weekend. Shout out to my man Rob. He sold it to me on the low. I said, yo, now that I got it, let's make a video. And for purposes of transparency, I decided to pull the GPS 39, 40 miles an hour in the grass with the slicks fast enough. Oh, and that humming, that's the internal gyro. And when I told y'all it takes wide turns, I mean it takes wide turns. Be careful, you trying to run it in the street, you might not make it. So be ready to get your cardiovascular workout on, because you're going to have to go get it. I mean, you're going to have to go get it. Safe is what they call aviation world AVC. And this E-flite Apprentice 2 doesn't just fly, it teaches. Safe technology smooths out gusty winds and calms nervous thumbs. Now, if you've been watching this channel, you see me on this same course, same hole, send one of my aircraft into Cub heaven. Yeah, man, that plane went up and never came back. But I learned from that, I got this Apprentice. Then I flew this Apprentice out here and it landed in a tree. That was crazy, but luckily it came down back to me. Now this is my third shot. Let's see if I can land it actually on the grass. Now it was a little touch and go here for a little while. The gust aloft was a lot, but luckily the safe technology kept me on point. Call to action time. If you like content like this, subscribe, like, leave a comment, tell a friend and tell a friend from a 5-7. And like the greatest American hero, I'm still working on my landings, but I promise you, I'm gonna get it down pat. Guys, keep checking in with me. Your boy is getting better. I'm telling you, it's gonna get better. Damage assessment, $7 new prop. Be here tomorrow.